Welcome back to another video at Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be doing a walk around and test drive on this very original 1975 Buick Riviera. Original 455 Riviera. Really beautiful car. Chad's out in Des Moines today, so I enlisted the help of my younger brother Brady to do this video with us today. He's usually flying the drone, but today he's getting in the action, checking out the Riviera. But really, really neat car. And I find it fascinating that it's an original 455 Riviera. You know, obviously in 75, wasn't the 455s of the early 70s, but still kind of neat to have that in there. Transmission is the numbers matching turbo 400. Now on the motor, we go through, try to find all the numbers. We could not locate a VIN number on this, but the casting number and date code come back to a 72 through 76 455. As original as this thing is, I'm sure it's the original motor, but we could not find the VIN to verify that its numbers matching. Does have power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, all the correct stuff still underneath the hood, the right stickers. Yep. Hoses. It's damn cool. We bought this out of a Buick collection. The guy had 7 awesome Buicks. This one was unique because of the originality and just something you don't see very often. Big old boat, and then 455 4-barrel under the hood is awesome.
And even that top is just kind of cool. I don't even know what you call that.
Landau top, they're called. Yeah, like that half vinyl.
Yep.
Front bumper, grill, all that's original. Still shows very well, but once you look really up close, you can just kind of tell that this stuff was made in 74, 75. Excellent gaps. The hood fits great all the way around it. It's got the red pinstriping.
There is a small little ding up here. It's hard to see. I didn't really notice it, but small little ding there up on the front.
Ding right there. But just look how straight the body on this car is.
That's a very straight car.
It's got a beautiful shine. Correct wheels. You have another tiny scratch right here. That might buff out. We didn't even buff this big old boat because it just still shines so nice, but great gaps. Got the body side molding.
Would you know if this is the original interior on the car? It looks to be.
Yeah, it's original interior. Not much has been changed. It could have had a repaint. It's hard to say. Door jamb paint's great. Rubbers look good. It's always been well kept. The odometer shows 2,000 miles. I'm guessing it's 102. Just a very well kept 102. I love these door panels with the
that's really
grab
cool.
handle. Power windows. Here's your ashtray. Kind of unique, but just the quality and cleanliness of the dash is outstanding. Clock still works. I mean, it's, you know, so clean with the exception of a little wear on the original door panel on that side. But the seats, headliner, all that look really good. And what a unique, you know, interior. Buicks were always kind of the comfortable, kind of gentleman's car.
I was just about to say, talk about a comfortable cruiser if you want to ride in comfort.
Absolutely. The Landau top is really nice. All the glass is good. Big old doors open and shut, awesome. And just does have a power trunk release. I'll open that up, show you guys inside the trunk. And the guy that had this collection just kept pretty much everything for cars. Had all kinds of different documentation. We ran out of space to put it in the shops, but has the original carburetor still here. So the carb's been changed out at one point, but that's the correct 4-barrel.
This is so cool. I love how when they have the original stickers like that.
Mm-hmm. Still has all the stampings on the deck lid. I'm gonna say it's original paint in the door jambs, and it matches really well with the exterior paint. So it could be original paint on the exterior too. Bunch of different diagrams and all these old books and information on the Riviera. It's got the jack and spare, car cover comes with it. You can tell the tail lights, stuff like that. Originally, you can just see some little bit of solvent pop on that, but overall very clean. Anything the back bumper.
And even check out these taillights up here. I don't know if these are the brake
cool,
lights or
like the third and fourth brake light. Yeah, I mean it's just a classy car and comfortable as hell. I mean they ride like a boat. Really straight up and down the sides. Nothing for rust, and the underneath's very solid too. Check out the undercarriage pictures on our website, coyoteclassics.com. A few small rock chips down there. The Landau top is awesome. Tires have good tread on them. A few little things and stuff in that wheel lip molding. But extremely solid old car. Small little scratch here. The body side molding here, that just happened when it came out. I just noticed that. Otherwise, we would have glued it already. But that just needs a little bit of glue there. But really nice. Take this thing down the road. Oh, I got to show you this side of the interior. So door panel does have a little bit of wear on the armrest base. The other side's really good, but driver's side has some cracks there. Door jamb paint's awesome. There's your sticker. Corner of the door is rust-free. Bottom side of the door is perfect. Rubbers are nice and pliable. What a time capsule. And again, just something unique that a guy doesn't see very often.
Exactly.
So as we get behind the wheel here, as I mentioned briefly already, the cleanliness of the speedometer. I hate these fasten seatbelt buzzers, but thank gosh it shut off. Cleanliness of the gauges, the dash. Again, the odometer reads 2,412 miles. It's got the old speed alert deal here. That's always kind of neat. And then you can reset the trip on the odometer down here. Here's your wipers, and they work. AC controls over here. Horn works. It does have tilt wheel. Here's your switch for the opposite side remote mirror. That all works good as well. Rearview mirror is really nice, tight, and clean. The original radio works, but it's probably gonna need a new speaker. It's just super, super quiet. But it does work and sound comes in, but the speaker's just worn out on that. Oh my God, it's got power driver's seat too. 5-way power seat in 75, kind of neat. Power windows, and those go up really fast. I'm gonna drive with it down today because it's a nice day. How's it going, guys? Beautiful day. I always love these big cars. You know, obviously they're not as popular as your late 60s, early 70s Buicks, but they're neat. You know, they're still a piece of history, and I will say they're a lot more comfortable to drive than some of the late 60s Buicks. They just float. And that 455's got good power. The kickdown works. It's tuned beautifully. Test our brakes up here. Those work great as well. Looks like your gas gauge is working. We already went through kind of everything else on it. Original clock still works. Turn signal indicators in the dash. Both sides work awesome. You have a little bit of wear here on the edge of the dash pad there as well. So just kind of your typical wear, but for an all original interior, it's really very clean. You can tell it's just always baby. I'm not sure how long the guy had it that we bought it from, but all the stuff in his collection he took very good care of. Like I said, in 75, it's a detuned 455, but it still goes pretty good. The hood's beautiful. This would be a lot of fun to take on a road trip. Get 4 buddies in here and drive it. I'll roll my window up so you can see how the wind noise seals. Here's your kick down. Windows seal up nice and tight. There's no wind noise. Here's our brakes. They're awesome. Really nice pedal. Let's see if we can hit the old speed alert on the Buick. We got the speed alert set at 70 miles an hour. Pass the speed alert. Man, even at 80 miles an hour here, it goes down the road fantastic. What a good car. Looks like it has rear defrost too. Your switch for the rear defrost is right there. Don't really know what else to say about it. Just a really clean 1975 Buick Riviera. If you want to see more pictures, information, check out the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll be putting a link down in the comment section of the video, take you right to the website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.